Hello everyone! I get a lot of questions regarding the Eurorack Power System, and it seems that there is a lot of confusion about it. Today I'm going to take a quick look on the voltages that are used and the different connector types. Let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the Eurorack Power System. So the system offers three different voltages. So this is minus and plus 12 volts and also plus 5 volts. And there is two different connector types. So this is basically this 16-pin and this 10-pin connector. The 10-pin connector only offers minus 12 and plus 12 volt. So what you see on these connectors here, there is usually, I think you can't see it, but there's usually some arrow. Or on cables usually the red wire. So this is basically the minus 12 volts. So this is basically the first two wires here. So then there is 6 wires for ground, and then 2 wires again for plus 12 volts. So this is basically the 10-pin connector, and the 16-pin connector in addition has some CV signal, some gate signal, and additional plus 5 volts. So what you often see is bus boards like this here, for example. So you have something like this. There comes power from your power supply, and this is to distribute basically power to all of your modules. You see here the arrows. So this is the minus 12 volts in this case, and what you have a lot is that the modules only have these 10-pin connectors. For example, here is a module, here's some multiple, one from my modules, or here a different module. And they all have basically these 10-pin connectors. So what you need is an adapter basically from 10-pin to 16-pin in this case. So because the bus boards usually have the 16-pin connectors to also have the other options available. The CV and ground, this is basically, you can basically pre-patch some modules via the bus board for the CV and gate signal, but actually I haven't seen this in any module before. So depending on your module, you'll either need 16 to 16-pin connector or 10 to 16-pin connector. I think that's all about it. So there's always a marking, a red line, which is basically the minus 12 volts. So this is important, the orientation. So these connectors here, you can't get them in the wrong side around, but there are connectors which basically you could put written the wrong way around. So make sure that this aligns everywhere from your module up to your power supply. So the system is basically these 10 or 16-pin, they are called IDC connectors. So basically the connectors look like this. And this is actually something you can easily build on your own. So when you press these together here, you have these flat ribbon cables like this here. If you press these together, then the contacts, they will cut into the wire and basically make a contact. So that's something that you easily can build yourself if you get these connectors and the wire. So there are tools like this here, for example, to press these together, but also this is not really needed. So there are other ways to do this basically. And you could also have this basically for the 16-pin connectors here. So that's basically all about it. So as you see here, in this adapter here from 10 to 16, so the other part is just left out. So this is basically all about it. Yeah. And then for the PCBs, there are these, it's basically the other side of the connector. So these just get soldered onto the board. So this is something that would fit in here. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that is everything to say about this, about the Eurorack Power System. Maybe let's take a quick look here at my actual Eurorack system. So here you can see the power supply. So there is a 16-pin connector, which is basically connected to the bus board. And then the modules are connected. And I think these are all connected via these 16 to 10 pin adapters. Yeah, I guess that's it. Alright, that's all for today. So if you're into building your own synthesizer, make sure to check out my online store. I offer a bunch of different modules in Eurorack format to get you started. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon. Take care.